there. Be sure that there is no break in the chamber.
No.
Be sure. Check. Any second. You people, what is the problem?
You bring the 99.
You are not aware this is a privacy check.
Remove your shoes. Remove your shoes.
You want to shoot 20 minutes here?
Remove your shoes.
Who is your commander?
Remove your shoes.
Go right there. No. Okay, wait. No, wait. You go right there.
You see,
take the
you come.
You want to shoot the minister is here? You want to shoot
the commander himself.
Where did you train from? Where did you train from? You want to shoot? We are here. We will get one person.
Get one. We go. We go. Come.
You get orders from where?
You are the other side.
What happened?
Yes, they are there. They are saying no getting out. They are blocking us not to exit.
I think they called their boss and the boss told them shoot whoever has come there.
This is the impunity that some people exhibit.
Private security wants to shoot at us?
You can imagine, the brats were even in the chamber, they wanted to.
The brat was in the chamber.
They got an order.
It seems, and we shall seriously take it
No, we need to see who their boss is. Who is that to give orders to shoot
Can you
us?
imagine your coach instead?
We are
I wish
on
I did
duty.
run there quickly. Double shot us.
And then you have the guts and the audacity to... This is laughable, eh? No, let out who the directors are. Please, call them. Bring them to book. Actually, they should be the ones under arrest.
That's sure.
They should be the ones who should be arrested. You've taken all their guns?
Yeah, they have been disarmed.
Yeah. You need to deploy heavily here.
Let me call them.
I wish I could run there. It was good. When he was going in position. It was good shot us.
In position.
Interesting.
This is very